Hi guys, and welcome to Not So Hard. In this series, you're going to learn that various mathematical concepts are not so hard and they are a lot easier than you think. Stick with me and let's have some fun with math. So in this video, we are going to be starting with algebra, and don't run away yet. We are going to keep it pretty basic in this video. I'm going to just be telling one story, asking a question, and we'll figure out the need of algebra together. Are you ready? Okay, so this story is based off true events, but I'm going to spice it up a little just to make it more interesting, okay? So here's the story. Imagine you had an employee, let's call her Sarah. Now Sarah works for you and you pay her 100,000 naira every month. But then it comes to your notice that Sarah gives 10% of her earnings to a charity unfailingly every month, leaving her with only 90,000 naira to spend. But somehow you want her to have 100,000 naira left after she's fulfilled her obligations to the charity. How much would you, as the employer, raise her salary by to make sure that she has 100,000 naira to spend after she's given 10% of her earnings? You can pause this video and think about it and tell the answer. So if you said 10,000 naira, that you're going to increase her salary to 110,000 naira, that might seem like the answer, but it isn't, because a 10,000 naira increase makes the salary 110,000 naira. But then the money she's going to have to give the charity becomes 11,000 naira. So 110,000 naira minus 11,000 naira leaves us with 99,000 naira. And so we're still 1,000 naira short of the money we want her to have. We're still 1,000 naira short of 100,000 naira. Now, if you keep repeating this process by adding what she's short by 100,000 to the salary you pay her, you would only get an approximate value. So from 99,000, you have 99,900, 99,990, and you can never really get to 100,000 except when you do it over and over and over again. And even at that, you're just going to get to 99.99999. And so how can we figure out the best and the perfect way to solve this? How can we know what will pay Sarah such that if she pays 10% of that money to another organization, she would still have a certain amount left, 100,000 naira? Well, this is where algebra comes in. And the beautiful thing about this is that algebra comes in this situation to help us solve it better. As you can see, even though it seems easy at first glance, it is much harder than that, and you can't just use simple logic to figure it out. Algebra helps us to express mathematics that we can't normally express without imputing variables, and that's why algebra is very interesting. In the next video, we're going to solve this problem using algebra and then dive more into the fun that algebra has for us. Bye for now and see you in the next one.